So if you're a beginner and don't know what ChatGPT is, in this video I'm going to tell you what is ChatGPT and how it works. So ChatGPT itself says that as a language model, my main goal is to assist users in any way I can by providing accurate and helpful information on a wide range of topics. So how ChatGPT works? So for that you're gonna go to chat.openai.com, and once you're there, wait a second, I'm going to log out with my account. Alright, so once you're there, now you have to create an account, and I'm sure you must know how to create an account. So just go and sign up with ChatGPT, and once you will create your account, it will redirect you to this page, and over here you can ask anything from this chatbot and it will reply you with some unique and accurate words. So let's ask him about to write me an essay about artificial intelligence, and you can see this chatbot writes the whole essay by itself. So in order to get some unique words, you can go and type for write me an essay about artificial intelligence on 2000 words, and it will get you some of the unique keywords. So this is basically how ChatGPT works. So this chatbot have all the information till 2021. So you can go and ask for anything. And on second, we have you're gonna go to beta.openai.com/playground, and over there this is a upgraded version of ChatGPT, we can say. So in this we have some customizations. We can customize our sentences. You can see we can customize the ChatGPT, like if you select the length, like I've selected a maximum length of 599. So once I go and write anything, it will reply me under 599 words. So this is basically how you customize the chatbot from here. And we have a model here. So this is the best version, text DaVinci 003. Anyways, so let's write something, write me an essay about AI, and once I submit the request, you can see it will reply me, but with a maximum length of 599 characters. Alright, so after that you're gonna go to examples, and from here you can see we have text to command, and with this bot we can just you can just type the text and it will generate the code. You can see the Python is selected right here, so you will get a code of Python. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.